2025 March Cheesesteak Madness, second round, other counties region, number 6 Gazzo Steaks versus 14th seed Steaks Westchester. The first time I went to Gazzo's, they were a food truck, and all I could taste on my cheesesteak was smoked Cooper. Now, Gazzo's is in a very nice location in Pottstown. I like their layout, I like their decor, nice big open space. I enjoyed the cheesesteak a lot better. They've dialed in the smoked Cooper a little bit, and you can taste more of the other ingredients in the cheesesteak. Steaks Westchester, they've been making the same good cheesesteak since they opened in Westchester. They too have a nice good space. They have parking. Steaks Westchester, nice solid cheesesteak. Starts with a good roll, good meat, good cheese, good onions. Everything contributes to this cheesesteak. It's well balanced and well made with good ingredients. Gazzo's cheesesteak relies a whole lot on the smoked Cooper. I think Gazzo's needs to get more out of the role players. Steaks, good solid cheesesteak moves into the Sweet 16.
Big bready roll. They really use I don't think it needs some scoop, but it needs something. It just needs crispness, it needs flavor, it needs crispness. It's just bread. Meat, good amount, eats well, but needs flavor. Throw some black pepper on, throw something on. Onions, we touched on them already. We really don't add anything. Rice is bucketed in rice, got TVs, got a bunch of Philly stuff, got a bunch of Rocky stuff. So, nice place, bathroom, nice seats, plenty of seating, easy to order, kiosks, you get used to that. Flavor. Toaster roll, give me some flavor. Nice roll. A little dry. Cheesy. Really see it back there. That's gonna be a cheesy bite. I mean, I'm tired. It's gonna be a dry bite. That's a dry bite. When it's darker, you can actually see more of the cheese.